What are the most common back problems people experience, would you say?
Well, I would say most commonly is sprains and strains of the spine. We're going to be talking about that in a little bit, but that's one of the more common things that people come to see the physician for. In fact, it's the second most common thing to see a physician next to cold, the common cold.
Really? So cold would be number one, this would be number two. It's really prevalent today. Why is it so prevalent with back injuries and back pain? What's going on?
Well, part of it is in the design of the spine. The low back is like a lever, and when you bend forward, there's a lot of forces across the back, and that could be prone to injury. That's one of the reasons. Other examples would be improper lifting. People that are not conditioned or not exercising correctly, they're more prone to injury. So some of those are the most common reasons to have back injuries.
And doctor, could we also add the fact that maybe we're becoming a society that's just maybe sitting too much and there's not a lot of motion anymore?
I'm glad you brought that up, Olga. Because
and we're going to talk about that more, but I just wanted to bring it up because I think that is really important.
Right. I'm going to keep repeating that exercise is very important today. And it's really important to get at least 30 minutes of good activity about 5 days a week. And that's according to the American Heart Association. But it also pertains to health for your spine.
And it's not even just exercise I want to add, I would think, doctor. It's just the fact of just getting out there and doing things and being active. And we're seeing less and less of that in children, in teens, adults, as opposed to even, you know, our grandparents who would probably be outside, you know, trimming the trees, maybe even washing the cars. We're seeing less of that.
I'm glad you brought that up because our children are coming home from school and staying inside and playing electronic games. They're not exercising. When we were kids, we used to go out, ride our bicycles for miles and miles and come home at dinner time perhaps.
Right.
But now kids are sitting on the sofa, they're not exercising. That is a concern in society, not only for back pain, but for childhood obesity and later onset diabetes. So those are great points. Exercise is crucial to a healthy back and to healthy living.